Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Want to change your IP address to any location on your iPhone? In this video, I will show you how to become a digital chameleon, allowing you to change the location anywhere in the world. Let's go! An IP or Internet Protocol address is a unique identifier for every device connected to the Internet. Think of it as your digital mailing address. Your global IP address reveals your location approximately. While not exact, it is possible for the website to determine at least the city where you live. This can be used to: first, it can track your online activity. Next, target you with ads that are location-based. Let's say you live in New York, then you probably get ads like ads for local restaurants, nearby events, or real estate listings in New York City. Lastly, the geo-block content. For example, sorry, that streaming show is only for Americans. There are ways to change your IP address. The first one is you can contact your Internet Service Provider, or ISP, in case you have a static IP address. They can sometimes provide a new IP address, but this may not always be possible or effective. This is especially true because it's possible for the website to again obtain the approximate location associated with the new IP address. If you have a dynamic IP address, you can sometimes change your location by power cycling your router, unplugging it and plugging it back in. However, this may not work as well, as the website may still be able to determine your approximate location. But the easiest way to change your IP address is by using a VPN, or virtual private network. Imagine a VPN as a secret tunnel. You send your internet traffic through this tunnel, and it comes out somewhere else. Boom! New global IP address, new location. So to summarize it, you need a VPN to change your location. But the question now is which one to choose from among these hundreds of companies. I personally tested many of them, and for me, NordVPN works best. Here are some reasons why I chose NordVPN. It has strong security where it's robust encryption, and a no-logs policy protect your privacy. Also has a large server network that can connect to servers in over 60 countries, giving you access to geo-restricted content. Has user-friendly apps, as it is easy to install and use on all your devices, phones, computers, and tablets. Even your grandma could figure it out probably. And with fast speeds for smooth streaming and browsing without lag. To sign up for a premium account, check my link below in the description box. I've secured the best available discount for you so you can save some cash. To set up the VPN, download first the app from the store, and eventually install it on your device. Once you have installed it, you will need to connect to a VPN server. Now launch the app and log into your account. You can choose a location to connect to. If you don't have a specific country or server in mind, Quick Connect is a convenient option. But let's say we want to change our location to Italy. You can then search the country in this tab, or just scroll down to browse the countries. Make sure that you've allowed your device to allow the VPN configuration. After you have chosen a location, you can test your IP address to make sure that it has been changed. And there you have it. You've become a digital chameleon. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.